Namaste dear students. Today we are selecting the first chapter from the Sociology. In Sociology, it is about the family. The first chapter is about the family. Here in this lesson we will be learning about the meaning of the family, the characteristics of the family and the types of family. Okay. Welcome to Sociology. In this chapter we will be learning about family. So first we'll understand what is family. And then we will know in detail the meaning of the family, characteristics of the family, types of family, the characteristics of joint family. So first we'll understand what is. In this chapter, as I told, the meaning of the family, characteristics of the family, types of the family and characteristics of joint family. What is family? The word family is derived from a Latin word famulus, which means to serve. So here we understand that man is a social being and there are many institutions which helps in development of the society. The man has formed many institutions to fulfill his basic need. Among these institutions, family is the most important one. Though family is a small institution, it is a basic institution of the society. All the activities of the society are conducted on the basis of family. The members of the family are the members of the social institution. By understanding the meaning and the characteristics of the family, we can comprehend what does it says. So here, as we can see, the word family is derived from a Latin word called as famulus, which means to say serve. By this, we can understand that there are so many members in the family. Accordingly, they are categorized into which category they belong in the family. For example, father, mother with their children are called as small family. And today, the other members are also family members. And now the families which have no children but have only father, mother and the family that are adopted children are also considered as family. The relationship of the family members is determined by the kinship. What is kinship? Kinship is a blood relation. The family includes marriage, kinship and adoption. So the basic institution of family and the members of the families are the members of the social institution. So in this given point, we understood what is family and why is it called as family and where is family derived from. So the word family is derived from a Latin word which is called as famulus. So next point we say that man is a social animal and he has many social institutions, and one of the basic institution to fulfill his basic need, family, becomes important. Third point, it says that among these institutions, the family is the most important one and it is considered as a basic institution of the society, and the members of the family are the members of the social institution. In the next slide, we'll understand the relationship. What is relationship? Here it says that the relationship of the family members is determined by the kinship. That is how they are blood related. In sense, they have the common ancestor. The family includes marriage, kinship and adoption. So family can be extended through marriages, through kinship, bloodly related, and also adoption. So the childless couples or a parent can adopt a child and the adopted child will also be a member of the family. So these members live under a same house and the family directs the social behavior, dressing, ritual and other issues of its members. So what do we learn here is, we learn that family teaches many values. Among the values, the foremost value is a social behavior. How to dress, what are the functions which are conducted and how these rituals are adopted in our festivals, how these rituals are adopted in our day-to-day life, and other kind of human behaviors are taught through. Next, here we'll understand the characteristics of family. What is this characteristics of family? It is basically categorized into 5 points. That is, family is universal. It is the basic unit of all the social activities, and continuous responsibility and social accountability, bring up and nurturing and teaches social behavior. So these are the 5 points which comes under the characteristics of family. So let us understand here in detail. So here we understand that family is universal. What is universal? Everywhere, anywhere you go, you find a family. So family is an accepted universally it is recognized institution. So though it is varies in one place to another place according to the specific geographical nature or a time period, family is bound in all the society, means it is present in all type of society. Usually the family follows a fixed patterns of issues like marriage, how to nurture or take care of elders and youngers, kinship, and what are the property rights. Generally, the member who belong to a particular family reside in the same place or share the same common roof. So they are in one particular house, living together with having common kitchen. So family is universally accepted. It is a next point, it says that it is a basic unit of all the social activities. Any activities which is conducted in the society is based on the social activities. It is conducted by the social activities. So what is this conducted by the social activity? Here it says that social institution starts from the family, whether it may be a political, economical, educational, or several other activities, whatever we see and witness in the society. It may be a political institution or an economical institution or an educational institution, all are interdependent and they are the basic form of the society. And during the earlier times, the family was sending its member to participate in various activities. It may be even the local community participants of participating in local community activity. It may be a game, or it may be a festival, or it may be an organizations of some certain events. All they used to conduct in local ways. And now, due to an increased complexity, many rules and regulations and so many changes in rules and regulation have reduced in local activities, because you need to take certain permissions from the administrative level. So now this has been stopped, but still many functions of the families has assigned various orders of the social institutions. So still it is considered as one of the basic important unit of the society. So next is continuous responsibility of the social accountability. Now you have to be accountable for the actions what you carry out. How is it? And you need to be responsible. If you are accountable, you need to be responsible. Family teaches its member how to behave, how to discharge its specific responsibility. It trains the younger one or the children how to live harmoniously with its neighbor. Along with it educates about few social norms, social responsibility. For example, it educates how to keep the drinking water sources clean, how not to throw the garbages on the street. And now, as we can see, that due to pandemic, our responsibility towards the society has increased. So all this are taught and trained in the family. So this is a point which gives us responsibility and accountability of the society. Next is bringing up and nurturing. Who brings up and what is nurturing? Here it is very simple, how the younger one and elderly people are taken care and what is their role in the society and in the family. The family creates the basic rights and responsibility with regard to the children, as it is also protects them. It creates a way of nurturing and bringing up the children and make them literate. Not just a literate, but very a good human being. And it is the duty of the family to take care of the elders during their old age. So these are the basic things which are taught and protected in the characteristics of family. Teaches social behavior. What is this social behavior? A childhood and an adolescence are very important stage of the child and in the society. A child learns its mother tongue in the family. It understands the social life and masters the mother tongue, and children develop as per to the situation around the family. The family teaches the children about the ways of interacting with elders and its peer group. This means the social behavior, its demands, taboo, moral needs or moral rules, what you call it as, or indirect control of the child. The family teaches behavior like friendship, freedom, security during the childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and the old age. So there are various levels of the development of a human being. So all the development stage by stage are taught in the family, taken care in the family, and turns out to be a true good human being. So if there is a good human being existing in the society, the credit goes to the family and its member. So it teaches us how to behave in the social behavior. Our social behavior are taught through teachings of social behavior are taught by our elders in the society and by the family members. So next is assignment. Here you have 3 questions to be answered. That is, the word family is derived from which word? You need to mention that and define what is family and mention the characteristics of family. All these answers are present in the slide. So please do answer this and write it out in your classwork. Thank you.